Welcome back to Friday Night Frights. Up next, we have a dark and twisted tale of a young woman with a curiosity for killing and a thirst for murder. Boyfriends beware. It's our late night shocker. Next victim.
It's true what they say, you know. The first time is always the hardest. However, thinking back, it's also the most outrageously exhilarating. As I sit here, I can't help but think back to my first time. It makes me smile when I remember how sweet experience I was. We met that night on the opening of a new nightclub in town, and, well, one thing led to another. Mark was funny, cute, and very sweet. I liked him a lot, and he was perfect. So I killed him. You know, a dead body is a lot heavier than you might think. So here comes the messy part. Fortunately, though, I was prepared. My experience was not soak up a tremendous amount of blood.